Yaman, Bill Goudy checking in. Some Jamaican jerk. Traditional Jamaican jerk. My good friend Grant Hubbard. Yeah, recently married Grant Hubbard. Miss Purdy, as Dark Matter would say, gave me this back at YouTubery. That was in June. This is October, the end of October. I thought I'd better use this before it expired. I'm going to jerk some chicken. Actually, I got the chicken marinating. I got a couple of chicken breasts and some chicken wings. I'm going to cook over the fire as soon as the coals burn down. But you know, Mon, you know what time it is. It's that time. I want to thank Shane. Yeah, Shane gave me this bottle koozie, and it's coming in handy. Yeah, ice cold bottle. And you know my good friend Crawdaddy Forge, his link will be down below. He built this for me. I'm kind of hungry. Oh, that's cold. That's good too. I still got the hornets up underneath the cover, underneath the camper. I'm not going to mess with them until next week. It's supposed to snow next week. That's when I'll mess with them. Alright, I'll bring you back when I get to cooking. Look in here. I got cauliflower, mushrooms, onion, garlic. And I think that's it. I bring that to a boil and then I mash it. It's really, I mix a little cream cheese in it when I go to mash it. It's so good. Mashed cauliflower with the real garlic. Yeah, I think there's probably a whole head of garlic in there. I like garlic. And you know what? With the temperatures outside being cold, a little cool, I don't mind having the heat on the inside. So that's what I'm doing. I'm cooking it on the inside. Coals aren't ready to cook on the outside yet, but I'll go ahead and get this started. Oh, that looks so good. That is Shane's Sloan, not to be confused with Shane's World. Yeah, got a couple of Shanes in my life. Look at the goodness. Will you look at this? Oh, it's perfectly done. That is so good. That coating on the chicken works like a casing. It encrusted the chicken. You get the smokiness flavor. You get the heat. That is so good. I gotta tell you, it's a citrus heat. It's just different, you know. It's Jamacian. Thank you, Grant. I can't tell you how much I'm enjoying this. This is so much fun. It really is. Look at this. Can you see that? This is the cream cheese, cauliflower, mushroom, onion, garlic. So smooth. That is so good. I like that better than mashed potatoes. I'm telling you, it's just awesome. Now look at this. Look at that wing. It looks dark, you know, but I'm telling you, it's moist. It's not burnt. It's not burnt at all. It just, the coating on there makes it look darker. And so much flavor. Smoky. Heat. Citrus. Pepper. I can taste pepper in there. That is good. Listen. I want to finish eating. Yeah. Gonna have my salad. I'm gonna do it all again tomorrow. Goudy out. I'll be back.